T347 Development Technology. Which of the following is a diagram that is used for modeling the event-driven or discrete behavior of an object in UML 2.x, that is, UML 2.0 or later? A. Activity diagram. B. Sequence diagram. C. Object diagram. Or D. State machine diagram. State machine diagram or state chart diagram is a diagram that represents the state transitions which occurs during object life cycles. Event-driven refers to event-driven programming in which the flow of the program is determined by events such as user actions, sensor outputs, or messages from other programs or threads. So, a state machine diagram models the behavior of a single object, specifying the sequence of events that an object goes through during its lifetime in response to events. The figure below shows a state machine diagram. Begin state at the start, purchase to loanable books, and they are loaned out, and books become under inspection and exhibited as loanable books or disposed if they are of not good enough quality, and that is the sync state. Therefore, D is the correct answer. The other options are explained below. Option A. Activity diagram represents the flow of systems and work. In UML, an activity diagram is used to display the sequence of activities. Activity diagrams show the workflow from a start point to the finish point, detailing the many decision paths that exists in the progression of events contained in the activity. Activity diagrams are useful for business modeling, where they are used for detailing the processes involved in business activities. The figure below shows an activity diagram. In the beginning we have the initial node, and with a check for books remaining, lending processing, and then, if there are no books, notification processing and activity final node. Option B. Sequence diagram is a type of interaction diagram, that is, a diagram that depicts exchange of messages among objects, and represents the message transmission and object lifelines in a time series. The figure below shows a sequence diagram. You have the customer in the beginning and various stages for the lending reception system, management system for the members, and lending return system. And between them you have the lending request, member information acquisition, member information, lending, expected return date, and the expected return date from the lending reception system. Object diagrams represent the relationship among objects, that is, instances. Object diagrams and class diagrams are closely related and use almost identical notation. Both diagrams are meant to visualize static structure of a system. While class diagrams show classes, object diagrams display instances of classes. The figure below shows an example of an object diagram. You have the books and the patron, and for each one you have the data which is encoded. So, the diagram used for modeling the event-driven or discrete behavior of an object in UML 2.x is the state machine diagram, which was option D in the question.